Get your chicken, dice it up, season it, put it on the pan, and put your pasta on as well. Once the pasta has started to heat up, you should get your cream, your pasta sauce, put them in a bowl together, and then mix them up until they are one. When your chicken is cooked and your sauce is mixed all the way through, put it into the chicken and then lower the pan so that the sauce doesn't burn. After about 10 to 15 minutes, your sauce would be cooked, and all you have to do is drain your pasta and mix it in with your chicken and sauce, and it tastes absolutely amazing. While the main course was cooking, I went on to prepare my dessert. I got bananas, melted some chocolate, and mixed them together. After this, I got some cottage cheese and mixed that into that. I then got 4 eggs and mixed them in, though halfway through I realized that the bowl I was using was overflowing and it was too small. So I got another bowl, and then I realized that bowl also was too small. So make sure to use a big enough bowl from the very start. I only had a fork, though I'd suggest you use the whisk for this part as it is easier. I added sea salt for extra flavor, and honestly at this point it was looking very good and I was looking very hopeful. I then added a tablespoon of honey, mixed it through, and then I was finished. I moved everything out of the way and got my paper ready, and at this point my pasta was nearly ready also. I honestly thought at this point it looked very nice. I got some raspberries, sprinkled them and spread them out so it could look aesthetically pleasing. After you make sure all your raspberries are in there, I recommend you clean your space. Once I was done cleaning, I got it and put it into the oven. It was looking very nice. Though it didn't turn out that way. The pasta was 10 out of 10, but the dessert I had to throw out after a few bites. Let me know how yours went. Thank you for watching.